In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a contributor to your YouTube channel using YouTube Studio. We'll walk through the process from opening your settings to sending the invitation, and I'll share a few quick tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. This is perfect if you want to bring on an editor, a manager, or a viewer without sharing your login. Start by opening YouTube Studio and look for the settings option, usually at the lower left corner of the screen. Click on Settings, then select Permissions. This is where access to your channel is managed. Next, click on Permission and Ownership. This page gives you a clear overview of who currently has access and what they can do. Now click on Invite Contributor. You may see a prompt asking you to verify or continue. Just click Continue. If the page takes a moment, that's normal. Give it a few seconds to load. If you're asked to choose a Google account, select the account that manages the channel you want to update. Again, wait for it to finish loading before moving forward. In the invitation window, begin by typing the name of the person you want to add. This helps you confirm you're inviting the right individual. Then, add their email address. Double check for typos here. If the address is incorrect, they won't receive the invite. Ideally, use the email that's tied to their Google account for a seamless experience. Before sending, review the permission level you want them to have. Choose the option that matches your preferences and the work they'll be doing. For example, you might grant editor access if they need to upload and manage content, or viewer access if they only need to see analytics and settings. Pick the lowest level that still lets them do their job. This keeps your channel secure and organized. Once you're satisfied with the name, email, and permission level, click Invite. The system will send an email invitation to the contributor. They'll need to accept it on their end before the access takes effect. If you don't see changes immediately, that's expected. Access is pending until they accept. You can return to the permissions section anytime to check the status, resend the invite, or adjust access later. That's it. With just a few clicks, settings, permissions, permission and ownership, invite contributor, continue, choose your Google account, enter their name and email, set permissions and invite. You've securely added a contributor